We had an interesting political development. The Samajwadi Party, the left and JDU holding a joint news conference indicating a renewed push for a third front. Let's get you some reactions.
हम लोग सब इकट्ठा हुए हैं एक मंच पे जहां पर इसका मकसद है आज देश की एकता अखंडता को जो खतरा जो पैदा हो रही है सांप्रदायिकता और फिरका परस्ती से उसे मुल्क को बचाना।
Let's go to Times Now political desk. Tavleen Singh joining us there. Tavleen, so very clearly a strong push for the third front. Will it fructify? Because they have extended and made overtures to other parties also. Sitaram Yechury hinting at approaching even Naveen Patnaik and also the AIADMK.
Yes, that is correct. At least from the looks of it, this is the first press conference of, smaller parties, and like they're saying, like we are terming it as a renewed push for the third front as far as 2014 is concerned. Remember, Sitaram Yechury of the left, as well as KC Tyagi of JDU and Ram Gopal Yadav, very important, of the Samajwadi Party, together held a press conference and said that the time has come that anti-Congress and anti-BJP parties will come together as far as 2014 is concerned, talking about the fact that, only post-2014 a government of third front will be formed, and the Prime Minister also will be from the third front. Now, what Yechury has also indicated is that parties like the Biju Janata Dal as well as the AIADMK have also given positive response as far as third front is concerned. So, Anand and Nida, it seems that the momentum is only building up as far as third front scenario is concerned, because if you remember just earlier this week, the Samajwadi Party Supremo Mulayam Singh Yadav also stated that as of now the mood of the country is anti-Congress, and it has to be secular parties together which will fight the 2014 general elections.